Namaste, I am Cecilia from Brazil, and I'm here to speak a little bit about my experience in All India Institute of Spiritual Science and with Guruji or Bhushanji as a teacher. Well, I came to India for around 10 years ago and met Bhushan, and he's been my teacher since. Bhushan has a lot of knowledge about Tantra, and he teaches the old Vedic way and in the way of old Indian tradition, which was for one-to-one students. With him, I have learned a lot, both about the Indian culture and also about all the old sciences of yoga. Bhushan has taught me uh, mantras. He has taught me Havan, or the fire ceremonies. He has taught me Pranic healing and Reiki. And these also, not only he has taught me, but also taught me how to integrate them in my daily life. He taught me first how to heal myself, and after that, how to go out and use my